Hey guys, what's happening? This video is for all of you people who may have had to reinstall Windows on your system for one reason or another and are now finding that certain programs aren't working. I had to recently do this when I was trying to root my Xperia Z1 Compact. I was on forums and trying all sorts of things that people were suggesting, downloading programs and whatnot. And in the process of it all, I ended up catching some malicious software, which was completely undetected by my antivirus, and all the tests that I was running were coming up negative. So I knew I had something wrong because my C drive was just filling up every day. I was getting less and less room. It was going from about 16 gig, which really isn't all that much to begin with, down to 14, down to 12, down to 10, and I kind of knew I had to do something about it before it got to the point where something bad was really going to happen. So I had to bite the bullet and reinstall Windows, and I found that the Unreal Engine was no longer working. I couldn't launch anymore. So I had to re-download the launcher and reinstall the launcher, and also reinstall the latest version that I was using of the engine. Now you may realize this already and are up to the point where you've reinstalled the launcher as well as the latest engine that you're using, and you've gone into your library and have discovered there's no projects there and your vault is empty. And this is because the folders where all this stuff is stored, it's probably not in the right spot. So I'll just go over and show you what I've got here. I've got all of my game development tools in the one folder. My new folder where I installed the engine is the one that's called Epic Games, and where I had it previously installed was one that I called Unreal Engine. And as you can see, Epic Games is in here as well. What I'll do is I'll open this in a new window so you can see what's inside, and I'll go over to the other one and open it up as well. And you can see that they're practically identical, except I've got a folder over here called Unreal Projects, which houses all the projects that are missing. I'll move back over here, and what I'll do is I'll just copy and paste this over to the other folder. Just like that. As you can see, it's quite big, so it's going to take a little while. So while this is happening, I'll just go into the launcher, and you'll notice there's a folder called Vault Cache or Vault Cache. What this is where all the stuff that's in your vault is housed. So you'll find that that folder is empty. Over here in the old folder, this is where they all exist. So what I'm going to do is do the same sort of thing, just copy and paste over here. Ask me if I want to merge it with this one. I'll go yes. Move it up there. So this is going to take a little while, obviously, so I'll just skip ahead to the point where it's all done, and we'll continue from there. Okay, now that that's finished copying over, if we go into our vault cache, we'll see that we have everything in our vault there. And if we go over to our Unreal Projects folder, all of our projects appear. What you'll need to do is close your launcher and open it up again. And when you go into your library, what you'll find is everything will be in your vault, but most likely your My Projects area will still be blank. Now this is because you haven't created a new project yet, and it doesn't know exactly where to look. I've already done this myself before doing this video, which is why all these projects appear. What you're going to have to do is launch the engine. Go over to New Project and just create a new project. It doesn't really matter which one. Just make sure that you navigate to wherever that folder is. Right here I've got it, so I can just click on that. It's already there anyway, so I didn't really have to do that. You can name it anything you want and just create project. Now once that is done, you can then close the engine, close the browser, the launcher, and then once again open the launcher one more time, and then you should have everything appearing just as it was when I showed you just now. And that is all you have to do to get everything back to normal again. I hope this relieves you of some of the headaches that you might experience when you have to reinstall Windows on your system. If you found this video helpful, maybe leave a comment, say hi, rate the video, and subscribe if you'd like to see more Unreal Engine and other videos coming out in the future. Until next time, guys, see you later.